What up, it's Sal and Charlie, living the railroad life over here in Boston.
Doing it up, baby.
You know, times like these, I really don't know what to think. But we got terrorists blowing up the marathon, dudes in front of me, not turning. Damn! Excuse me. Back to what I was saying. Um, you know, you know how it is out here.
We still gotta work shit.
Yeah. We got to do, amen. And you know, still got to get paid, you know. But anyway, I think I'm gonna do a daily video of my daily trials and tribulations
With me, baby.
with Charlie until he leaves Tuesday. We're going out to do our thing, and we're gonna keep you all updated on the terrorist attacks over here in Boston.
Be strong, boss.
Be strong, Boston. Out.